This is an F-150 with a balancer problem. Both port and starboard engines sound the same. That whirring noise you hear is the balancer gear that's not getting enough oil, and that's why it's squealing like that. These noises as I rev it up tend to peak around 2,000 RPM. You don't tend to hear it as much. That's 2,100 RPM right there. But that low end idle speed up to 15 to 1,800 RPM is where you hear the peak noise on that. I assume these balancers are original, and they should be upgraded to the newest version that has the oil jet underneath that will keep that gear properly lubricated. I'll send a video or take a video of the repair after it's done.